What's going on, guys? It's me, Linsay, with LindsayMoore.com, and in this video I'm going to give you guys a little short tutorial on how I will be promoting MyEcon Income Shift Pro using Royaltie Gems. Now, Royaltie Gems are these little amazing offline marketing tools that I have been using for over a year now, and like I said, it's great for local marketing because I think, like with a lot of us, we solely build our businesses online, which is perfect, but we are forgetting or neglecting a huge segment of the market of people who are not seeing our ads, who are not connected with people who are online marketers, and people who are just not fazed by online ads or who don't buy things online. So with these particular gems, we can get right in front of their faces on their smartphones and advertise about our business. So I'm going to show you guys really quickly what I am doing that's going to help me to get sales and leads with Royaltie, because I have used this before for previous businesses and I had success, or I got leads and sales. You can find videos about that on my YouTube channel as well. But before you do that, watch my tutorial on how this little simple tool is going to help me with my offline marketing and help me to get more leads and sales with MyEcon, guys. Okay, so stay tuned and watch the video. Hey, so as you guys can see here, let me turn my camera around a little bit. So you guys can see here, this is like an example of my phone. This is live, not well live for this video. And you can see the actual notification showing up on my phone for how I'm going to be promoting MyEcon using Royaltie Gems. So again, guys, this is the Royaltie Gem. You see I have it right next to my phone. And anybody who's in a 400-yard radius of this particular gem with an Android phone with Bluetooth activated will see this notification on their phone, right? So once somebody sees this notification on their phone, they're just going to click on it, right? And I have multiple gems set to this right now. But when they click on it, it's going to bring them here, right? So it's going to be a short video talking about the smart credit repair feature of MyEcon. And then it's going to say, learn how to fix your credit and earn an extra $2,000 per week. Watch the video now. So when somebody clicks on this button, it's going to ask for their email address. So now they're going to be added to my email list. And then it's going to bring them here to this video, which is for Income Shift Pro. Now, I've done videos about Income Shift Pro on my YouTube channel, so you can definitely check those out. But with Income Shift Pro, it's a marketing system that's going to do all the selling and telling for me. So basically, this whole process is going to be pretty much automated. And I don't have to talk to the person until they actually join my team. They submit me a notification. I get a notification that they sign up, and I reach out to them to connect with me on Facebook. That will be my first initial contact with these with whoever signs up with Income Shift Pro and MyEcon, pretty much, guys, right? But again, guys, that's going to be my offline marketing method. Is going to be using these Royaltie Gems. Now, I have done videos on how I've gotten sales when I used to promote MCA using Royaltie Gems. You can find that video as well on my YouTube channel. But again, guys, this is a great way to get local leads and for local marketing. Now, with this video, right, what I would do is I'll probably before the end of the day, I'll actually probably edit this video and maybe make it more personalized, meaning like I will put myself on video, you know, letting people know who I am, that I am local, that I am located in their city, in their county, and let them know more about the video they're about to see about how to fix their credit. So by me doing that, they actually turn into a cold lead when they saw the notification on their phone. And then by the time they get here, they're going to be a warm lead, because now they know who, if they decide to you know, join MyEcon, they know who they will be working, who they'll be working with, who their sponsor is, and everything else. So that's probably what I'll do before the end of the day is out. But that's how I'm going to be promoting MyEcon Income Shift Pro, pretty much using Royaltie Gems, guys. Okay, so this is a great way, again, to generate a lot of leads. Now, because like what a lot of people will do, they'll just only focus on the online strategies and things like that, but you don't want to forget about offline marketing, right? Because even when I started online back in 2013, I did a lot of offline marketing. I was putting yard signs around my city. I was putting out flyers in apartment complexes, putting up door hangers and things like that. I was doing all that type of stuff. Now, while that was a lot of work and a lot of time, I still generated a lot of leads and sales for my business by me doing that. So I understand the power of offline marketing, and especially local offline marketing, right? Because people feel a little bit more comfortable working with somebody that's located in their city, right? They just do, right? So that's why you want to do that. Again, Royaltie Gems. Underneath this video in the description below, guys, I'm going to put links where you can find out more information about MyEcon Income Shift Pro, but then also Royaltie Gems. And like I said, this is only one of the products. They do have another gem that reaches out to a 100-yard radius, and then the other one reaches out to a 1,000-yard radius. So that one you can actually kind of sit at your house next to your TV, and anybody who's in a 1,000-yard radius of, with Android phone, with Bluetooth activated, will get that same notification that you guys just saw on their phone. Pretty much. That's the power of Royaltie Gems. Do not sleep on it, because think about it. A lot of people come online, and some people just do not feel comfortable by joining things online, buying things online. It's just the way it is, right? But they'll feel more comfortable if they see like something, like a yard sign or maybe a flyer with a local number on it that they feel like they can, call that person and talk to them because they're locally in their city. You're going to probably have a higher conversion rate by doing that, by including offline marketing with your strategy to build MyEcon and Royaltie. And then, like I said, with this system, with this page, I'm going to be sending them to Income Shift Pro. And the reason why I stress for people, if you're a MyEcon associate, to promote your business using the Income Shift Pro marketing system, I have been averaging about 1 to 2 signups per day because of this system. And the only time I talk to whoever joins my team is when they actually sign up. When they go through this system, it explains everything about Income Shift Pro and MyEcon to them. It goes through step-by-step showing them how to sign up for each system. And then by the time I get the notification, I'm sending them an email for them to connect with me on Facebook. And that's how I welcome them to the team and help them to get started. It's that simple, guys. Okay, guys? So underneath this video in the description below, go ahead, find out more information about Royaltie Gems, and then also about Income Shift Pro and MyEcon if you haven't even signed up for both of those. And if you join for both of those, if you join MyEcon through my link, if you join Royaltie Gems through my link, you will get tons of bonuses. Trust me, with either business you decide to move forward with. Okay, guys? They definitely come with weekly trainings, additional, training on how to boost your credit line, all types of stuff like that. We have so much, and you'll get all that information below this video. So go ahead and click on either one of those links, guys. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also hit that notification bell so that way you can get more updates when I do videos like this on YouTube. And until the next one, guys. Peace.